I need everybody out here to get with this bitch.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's T? And welcome to ryansobangee. If you're new to my channel or just stopping by, I ask that you subscribe before you leave. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when your Bangee boy posts another video. And if you've been here before, girl, what's up? Y'all, it is early in the AM. It is 9 o'clock. I am getting ready right now to head out to my barber. I have a haircut appointment. I'm just gonna have him to reshape my hair. I think I need some clip. It is like totally uneven. See, it's like more on this side there. Anyway, yeah. I'm going to the barbershop. After that, I'm gonna see what my sister is up to. I'm gonna text her in a little bit. I'm gonna see what she's doing. I'm sure she's vlogging today. We both were supposed to go to the thrift store. We've been trying to get to the thrift store for like almost a week now. And it's like her schedule, my schedule, it's not connecting well. It's not aligned. So if she has something to do, I may just go and run to Hobby Lobby. I think I said in the comments on my last video that Hobby Lobby has a 50% off on Christmas decor, so I want to look into that. I'm not only looking for Christmas decor, I'm actually looking for props as well for my vlog intro. And yeah, that's what I'm working on. Ooh, I want to let y'all know I did try the coconut and cocoa butter Dove. Now to me, it don't smell all that good. I feel like the fragrance could have been a lot more, you know, perfumey but fresh, you know what I'm saying? It's very, very still, very subtle smell, but it leaves that skin nice and smooth. Y'all see me about to touch my face, y'all. I ain't putting no soap on my face. But yeah, you just feel it. So yeah, I'm gonna go. So yes, right now I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna finish drying out my hair. I think I need to pick it out as well. All right, y'all, let's kick off the vlog. The girls did not tell me it was this cold outside, y'all. It is in the 50s. And I have on this long sleeve gray shirt, Michael Kors pajamas, and some open toe shoes. So check me out, y'all. I don't know if this is TMI or what, but I was in my underwear drawer and I grabbed the first pair that was on the top, right? So I'm just looking at it and it's looking at me. And I'm giving it a mighty stare down like, you finna go on my body. I don't know. It looked like my underwear has shrunk. And they look like they shrunk. So I'm looking at it and they're looking at me. And I said, I'm about to get all up in that. Them underwear said, I'll be down. So after I went back and forth with the underwear, you know, we came to an agreement. I won. Yeah, I'm on my way to the barbershop. I'm so happy that I'm going to get my hair shaped. Y'all, my barber, he's been away. I don't know if he's been out of town. But he's been MIA for months. Like, it's been months since I've been to the barbershop. Over time, I want to say it's been like 5 or 6 months, actually. And for the last 4, 5, 6 months, I haven't been at the shop. My brother-in-law, he cut my hair. Y'all excuse that boom y'all might hear in the back, child. Delia left a soda in my trunk. And it hits the back whenever I stop. Or whatever. I need something done to this head real bad. I tried not to talk about it on camera because I didn't need the 2 cents. Because if I would be like, girl, like, it's messing up in the back. I would, yeah. No. So I'm about to get the beast tamed right now, okay? I want some meat, cheese, and crackers. Like, I'm not really hungry, and I still haven't eaten anything today. And it's after 1 o'clock. No, it's after 12 o'clock. And I haven't eaten anything today, but I want some cheese, crackers, and meat. Hold on, y'all. Hello? Instagram ready and shit. Let me get our Instagram. Hold on, let me get our Instagram. Alright, now we Instagram ready and shit. I'm back home. I know I look like Kid and Play right now, but it's not gonna stay like that. So I'm just going to add some of the Shea Moisture. This is curl enhancing. Y'all, I really love this stuff. It works really well with soft and curly hair, even coarse hair. And then I have some argan oil from Morocco. This is Cream of Nature. Just spray some of this in. I'm gonna just let it dry, and then I'm gonna style it the way I want. So y'all remember I had some curls falling down. I just clipped them right there. Good morning. Today's Wednesday. It's Thanksgiving Eve, girl. I am up. I woke up pretty early this morning. I feel great. My sister Sharika, she hit me up last night. We are having lunch at RH Rooftop today. So I got up, I took a shower. I did a simple beat on my face, and I'm so ready to show y'all my outfit. It is so cute. I'm still trying to debate if I want to wear a hat or not. I don't feel like styling and picking my hair out, so I may just wear a hat. I'm gonna wear a hat, y'all. But the outfit is so cute and so me. I still have a few hours until it is time to go to lunch. So I think I'm gonna just watch a little bit of the Hunger Games. I'm on the last movie of the Hunger Games, so I think I'm gonna sit here and watch that until it's time to go. I promise I won't be late, y'all, cause y'all know y'all think I be late for everything nowadays, and that's just not the case. My sister said that the food is very delicious at RH. She made reservations for lunch, and that's just fine. I am super hungry. I'm not gonna worry about breakfast this morning. I may eat just something small, like some fruit or something like that, because I really want to save my appetite. But let me go ahead and chill. Let me relax, and then I'm going to get ready with y'all. I'll see y'all soon. I decided to wear a hat. But I have on my white dress shirt, maroon pants. I told you I always have to duck But I'm going to throw on my beige trench coat. This is from London Fog. I did a haul on this jacket. Got it from the thrift store for a little to nothing. Is it swaggy? Swaggy? My shoe of choice. Rocking my New Balances. Have the pink tongue. What y'all think? Yeah? And with the accessories, I'm wearing my Chanel earrings. My gold Chanel earrings. I think I may wear those Gucci shades that my sister bought for me. Let's see how they look. What y'all think? Yeah? I don't know. I think I like it without the glasses. I don't know, y'all. I think I like it without the glasses. Put this up. Yeah. Well, since we're gonna be on the rooftop, maybe I should bring the glasses. But I think it's better without. All right, I gotta go, y'all. Bye. Alright, y'all, so we are done with RH. We had that for lunch last dinner. It was so delicious, y'all. There's Sharika. There's Kalila. Y'all always be asking about her. Told y'all she do her own thing.
She's a working woman.
Right, working women Wednesdays. So yeah, we are heading to Coach.
didn't like it when we went.
We're just gonna look around. I think Kalila gonna buy something because that was her store of choice. So. Where? Oh.
Place I don't even
Right, don't even look that way.
I ain't doing it. Oh,
That's one thing about you, honey. You ain't scared to treat yourself.
I'm not.
You work, you see it, you want it, you like it, you got it.
I'll throw it in the bag real quick.
Real quick.
He's so BANGEE. Ever in some place, but we need a buck up and you bring me something. Babe, and so expensive.